Blake, can you clap? Can you clap some more?
Can I do the video too?
Do you want to show them how to clap?
Yay!
Caleb. Good job, Blake. Yay!
Yay! For Blake.
Hey, cutie. Caleb.
Ow, ow, ow.
Can you say ah, ah, ah? Hello. No, Ashley. Don't rock him.
No.
Caleb. Caleb.
Hi.
He's kind of in a daze. Hi. Can you say mama?
Mama.
Good job, Ashley.
Mama.
Caleb, can you say mama? Blake? Blake, where are you going?
Mama.
Hi. Can you clap?
Mama. Hi, Mama. How are you? What you doing?
Hey, Ash.
Oh! Can you do a surprise picture?
Sure, be surprised. I love you. Love you too, Ash. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.